Yo, check out Bobby's parents' car they bought brand new. It's the Toyota CHR GI edition. Damn. The only difference is that I recognize it's got the better looking upgraded wheels, brake calipers, GI edition brake calipers, sports pack, and the most noticeable part is the front bar. Looks more like a the Yaris GR, but yeah, that's the package. And the inside, the interior, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but pretty good. It's pretty nice for the color it is. It's nice and bright. Also, Mike's going to be installing a front lip on his car also today, as long as me installing a part. 3 guys, 1 lip. Going well, boys.
I was like, why is that so hard? Why is that not going fucking low?
Chutta Mateo.
Nandesu ka?
And the lip is now on the S15. Oh, changes the whole personality on the car. Now it's finally time to move the 86 to where the S15 is. Bobby.
What?
How are you?
I'm good. A bit tired, but you know.
A bit tired. They don't know what we're doing today.
No, they don't.
They don't. Why is the car jacked up?
Shh. That's all. It's broken. It's a secret.
It's a secret.
Secret!
Alright, finally revealed to you guys. Today we're installing Today we're installing the airbags finally on the 86. Yes, it's been a long time of wait. So I got the air management over here and our bags already set to go. So now the first thing we're gonna have to do is start to jack up the car. Oh yes, work it. Bro, what is that pole, bro? It's like leverage right there.
Yeah, bro. Did you go? Bankai, you know?
Bankai!
No.
The time has finally come to install the airbags on the 86 today. We finally got the car jacked up, and now we just gotta remove the wheels off the car. Bro, how good does the GI CHR look?
You're gonna
I almost said GI Yaris, but then I was like, bro.
When I left to Ali, and he came back with missing tools.
No, didn't. No, he's lying. He's lying. He's lying. He's lying. I don't know what he's talking about.
All that?
Bro, what? Is that a fucking?
Right,
is that a spark plug socket? Bro. Boys, it's a spark plug socket.
NANI? Black one. I'm after borrow the later. The step down. It's safe, relax.
I wonder how much all of us were like, our eyes were closed.
I know.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections.
Have C-spanners, bro.
Insert the holy sound effect. Now you lift it up. You lift it up like. And now insert it. Lift it up like. When I'm wrong, I was like, oh, I bet you have some, but I realized your car was on springs. But how the hell do you have some?
Fuck. It fits, but
you gotta get out of the way, don't you?
yeah.
Bags.
You know what they
Alright, we finally got the front installed. Just putting on the wheels now at the moment. We haven't yet ran the lines or anything yet. That will be later on. But for now on, just putting it back on the wheels. Oh, these got the expensive, bro. How much do one of these things go for? Snap-on ones.
this one's 420.
Wow.
Blaze it. Hey Andy, what seems to be the problem, officer?
So I'm just kind of trying to run the lines here, but can't figure out where to run them exactly because these holes here are blocked.
Get on my room,
Get on.
playing Minecraft.
Crawl. My boy Andy here, he's crack out Fortnite, my guy.
He's crack out Fortnite, my guy.
Yeah. All these hoes.
So I decided to run the airline hose through a hole that's here. There was a clip that was holding it up there, so it runs through all the way up here. I cable tied it off into my firewall, into over here where they come out, going to the boot section. Finally have the fronts installed. Now we're just going to the back to install the back ones, and we're currently removing the old suspension that's on it at the moment. So this is what we're currently up to. Got Bobby removing the rears. Then you have to take out the third bolt. Yeah. How you hanging down there, bro?
That doesn't look right, eh?
Maybe we should grab the other one.
Oh, there you go. Oh, can't
Imagine
make
loading
it.
in 86 like this. Must be nice.
Alright guys, the moment has finally come. We finished installing we finished finally installing the bags in the 86, and we wired everything all up thanks to Derek and the boys for hooking up the work and helping me install it. They pretty much did all the work for me. Thank you, much appreciated guys. Moment of truth. It's time to air it out. Damn! Look at this fitment, boys. Alright guys, so we finally finished and we're just putting everything back on the car right now at the moment. So after we put the panels of the carpet back in and everything back in the boot, we're going to head off to Hungry Jack's, and that's about it. We'll probably end off the day there. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe because we just got bagged.